Hi, my name is Marlon Ceballos, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get this effect. This effect is normally called double exposure, and in fact this is a very common effect right now. So for get this effect, I'm going to unite two different images in one document. I'm going to close this document and I'm going to go to the Finder or the Explorer, and I'm going to open this document, darthvader.psd. If we open the layers panel, we can see only one layer right now. Now I'm going to return to the Finder or to the Explorer, and I'm going to select this second image, and I'm going to drag this image over this document. Right now, I have two layers. I'm going to press the return key, and this second layer is right now an smart object. I'm going to scale this layer, I mean the second layer, so I'm going to use the Command T or Control T shortcut. I'm going to drag this handle, and I'm going to use the Option or the Alt key. Or left at this size is okay. I'm going to press return key for confirm that transformation. And now I'm going to hide this second layer. I'm going to select the Darth Vader layer, I mean the first layer. And now I need a selection based in the shape of this mask. So I'm going to open the paths panel, and I can see the path that I previously prepared. So I'm going to create a selection based in this path. For that, I'm going to press the Command or Control key, and I'm going to click in the thumbnail of the path. As you can see, now I have this selection. So I'm going to return to the Layers panel. Now I'm going to show again this second layer. Click in this icon. I'm going to select this second layer, and I'm going to click this icon for add a layer mask. Click, and as you can see, this layer is masked right now. Now I'm going to change the blending mode for this layer. So I'm going to click in this menu. I'm going to select the screen mode. So I'm going to select it, and after that the effect is almost finished. However, I'm going to make some additional adjustments. First, I want to change the position of this layer. This is the second layer. So I'm going to select the Move tool and click and drag. But as you can see, when I drag with this tool, I move the layer and the mask. And I want to move only the layer, not the mask. So I'm going to undo these tags using the shortcut Command C, and I'm going to click this icon. When this icon is visible, that means that the image and the mask are linked. So I need to unlink those two elements. So I'm going to click, and then those two elements are unlinked. I'm going to select the image, not the layer, and I'm going to change the position, remember, using the Move tool. So I'm going to click and drag for change the position. I can, for example, change the scale to using the shortcut Command T or Control T. Drag, press the Option key for change the scale from the center to upside. Change a little more the position, and finally I'm going to press the return key for confirm that transformation. Now I'm going to select the first layer, Darth Vader, and I'm going to add a layer adjustments. For that, I'm going to click in this icon. Now I'm going to select this adjustment, brightness contrast, and in this window I'm going to increase the contrast. So I'm going to drag this handle to the right until get the maximum value. The maximum value that I can get is 100. When I increase the contrast, the white part of the Darth Vader mask is whiter, and the dark areas of the Darth Vader mask are darker. That gives me a more intense effect. Of course, this is a personal adjustment. You can make your own adjustments. I'm going to return to the layer panels and I'm going to select the second layer. I'm going to add a new layer adjustment. In this case, I'm going to select hue saturation. Now I'm going to increase the saturation. I'm going to write in this field 30. I'm going to return to the layer panel. This is the image without this adjustment, and this is the image with the adjustment. As you can see, the saturation has been increased. Of course, you can decrease the saturation if you want. For example, I'm going to make double click in this icon or this thumbnail. I get the same previous window, and I'm going to decrease the saturation. And you can see the result and decide if you want increase or decrease the saturation, or maybe you don't want make any adjustment of this layer. Remember, personal adjustments. I'm going to increase the saturation again because I prefer that result. And this is the final result of our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video.